Noodles or dry? Good morning, beautiful people. The Daniels are back and we are doing our very first cooking video in our beautiful new kitchen. So today on the menu is
turkey wings, rice, cabbage, macaroni and cheese, topped with a sister roll.
So yes, everything was gonna be made like we ain't talking about no
store-bought stuff.
Kraft mac and cheese. I'm gonna make, you know, my mama mac and cheese, you know what I'm saying? So, first things first, here we have our turkey wings in a bowl. We already cleaned them, but we'll go ahead and, you know, I don't wanna do it. So
first of all, you have to clean your turkey wings thoroughly. You know how you want your turkey wings clean, so that's how you clean them. I've already cleaned them already, so we'll do it again.
Taylor's over there watching her little show, having a snack. Oh,
now.
All right, so next you're gonna season your meat. Chris is black pepper. Seasons of your choice. We're using these and this one.
Tony's.
Yeah, I have a little bit of water. Boiling.
I like onions and all my stuff. I always gives it a better flavor.
Get that flavor. And then I also need a thing of chicken broth. I like more chicken broth than actual water, so it's only a little bit of water in there. I'm gonna pour that in, and onion soup mix.
And add your turkey wings.
Then we're gonna give a little stir. Okay, so now you have your turkey wings seasoned however you like with some onions, onion soup mix, and what else? Chicken broth. Covered for about 2.5 to 3 hours. So the time is 11:50, so about what? 2:30, 3 o'clock, we'll check back on our turkey wings. Hey, mama. Hey, baby. Hey, mama. No. No. All right, now it's time to start our mac and cheese. We already have the water boiling for the noodles. So I have cottage cheese, sour cream, 1 egg, salt, pepper, and my cheeses. Let me add more cheese, but we'll see. Oh, and paprika to go on top. So, all right, so now I'm gonna take the cottage cheese. Put into a mixing bowl. Christopher, don't be a distraction. Okay, sour cream. Most of y'all probably like, ugh. Who use? I don't know how y'all make y'all's, but this is bomb. I was looking the same way when I seen my mama use this, but it's really good. Okay. So that is in there together. Just gonna mix it. Add some pepper. You can see the drained. Got our mix here. So take it. You're gonna like pour some noodles in, some at a time, a little bit at a time, maybe like half. Get those back in and just fold your mix. I'm gonna take the rest of them and pour it all. That's one layer. Add more cheese on the top of that layer. Paprika. Hey girl. Hey, ding, 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 ding. Hey mama, with your wild hair. You chilling? Okay. What else been going on? You had a good nap? Did you have a good nap? All right, y'all. Now I started another thing of turkey wings just now because like this wasn't enough. So enough for like, I wanted to have enough to eat today and leftover. So that we're gonna focus on this pot. It's done. So that in there for about 20 minutes. Let's see what's looking like. It's for your cabbage, okay? Hey, it won't. No, it's good. That's for flavor. How's it going up there, bud?
Bruh.
Huh?
Bruh. So, put that in the pot. You let it do its thizzle. Give it a, matter of fact, it's not even really so much of a time. It's to the tenderness that you like it. Some people might like theirs hard. Some people might like theirs squishy. I like mine in the middle. So, and there you have it. You have your turkey wings, cabbage, mac and cheese, and 2 sister rolls.
Y'all hungry, ain't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, you can get off of my plate like that.
Add additional sauces if you need them. Hot sauce.
It's good. Taylor's having mac and cheese.
This is the Daniels family. We are now finished with our do-it-yourself cooking of Sunday dinner. Back to you, Bob.